Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see what are the top 10 large cap stocks that you can consider investing in the year 2021 for long term. Without getting it, let's get started. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Divi's Lab or Dr. Reddy. Both are excellent pharma stocks. You can consider investing in either one stock or in both. Both stocks are pharma stocks. In COVID time, they have given a huge return. In this modern world, new diseases are created every day. So it is never late to buy a good pharma stock. Also, in the recent crash, the stocks has come down by nearly 15%. So you can consider investing in these stocks. Maruti Suzuki. I know this is an expensive stock, but it is worth buying. They are running a huge business, and if they start electric vehicles in the upcoming years, that would be an added advantage to their business. Due to the recent crash, the stock price has come down by nearly 14%, so you can consider investing in this stock. Reliance Industries. They have extended their business into oil, telecommunication, retail industries, etc. They are running on excellent business. Recently, the stock has given huge return. In my point of view, you can invest in this stock in long-term view. Asian Paints. In painting industry, Asian Paints hold the maximum market share. Also, they are introducing new business techniques to overcome tough situation. Due to the recent crash in the stock market, the stock has come down, and you can see the stock has come down nearly 16%. So you can consider investing in this stock after you find a proper reversal. Ultratech Cement. A cement company, there is always a huge demand for cement. They are also making a good progress year by year. TCS. IT is one of the fastest growing industry. They have a bright future. Both these stocks are Indian IT companies. Also, they have business all over the world. Even in tough times, they will be able to run business in online. Both TCS and Infosys are very good stocks. You can consider investing in both the stocks. Infosys also gives attractive dividends every year. Bajaj Finance. It is a non-banking finance corporation. Due to COVID, they had some issues in their business, but now they have overcome their business problems and they are performing well. You can consider investing in this company for a long-term view. HDFC. HDFC is one of the dominator in the sector. This stock has given a good return in the past years, and it is worth buying at every dips. Due to the recent crash, this stock has come down by nearly 15%. So it is a good time to buy this stock. HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank comes under the banking sector. You can consider investing in both HDFC and HDFC Bank or in the either one. ITC. Their business is selling tobacco, FMCG project and hotels. They derive income from all the sectors. Also, this stock offers attractive dividend. Even in savings account we get only 3% interest rate, but this stock gives yearly 5% dividend. And here is the bonus tip. The bonus investing idea is L&T, Larsen & Toubro. Government is introducing new infrastructure projects every year, and L&T is always the winner in taking huge budget projects. Also, they are running variety of businesses. Most of the government projects are handled by L&T, so you can consider investing in L&T after proper analysis.